Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Once again, original steady rocking Eddie, and me always rock steady. Original Jamaican shatter from Rima. Yeah, me right here to invite you to a big party, you know. Nigerian people holding it down. June 15, 2025. Original rude boy, engineer, Tony Ewoma Okpokparoro, and woman, lady. I know in Nigeria you guys say lady. In Jamaica, we say lady. Adaugo Favour. It's going to be a big party. If you want to see a rude boy over there, come over there. Every time me attack, you want attack. Let me hear what you say. What you say? Say something about Chief Sir Engineer Tony Okpokparoro and in Oman lady Adaugo Favour. June 15, 2025. Check all the information. Check all the information. Let me hear what I say.
I am Chief Olomwan of Owerri. I'm one of the only importer exporter in a ship container to the Damini Sea. She over the guy. Only all I'm running because no one gave you I just want you guys to know that I'm in America. And I'm on a ship, any fisher, any wega, any wega, any pega, any pega, any ginega, any gayakega, boom, yakili my hem and gown. Him be manga, one in it, Maka, Tony, Okpokparoro. A mampire, Efe, Okpokparoro, and you weigh, and you know your company, Mabo. Adaugo, 1 year. Mampire, and you invent us together. Mampire may invent radio transistor, radio mbise. But him if invent and
yes,
honor humpa, or him invent. But I can be born I'm G. Balia, invent a honor. Mampire me one invent radio.
Good job.
But those one or high bipunga. Him Shimanobia, Oma Kande mega, happy mo, emega 17-year anniversary on the 15th of June 2024. On him the show with the pata. That is the only reason I'm here.
Good job.
So please, if you want to see for local Loma on the 15th of June 2024, come out for the Manona Tony Okpokparoro, Chief Engineer Sir Tony Okpokparoro, na one year old lady Okpokparoro, man no call.
Good job.
Mission of Panyako. I was at a banco. Apamara banco, Mishebo with a pada. I will. For a man, for local, for a man.